Welcome to a masterclass in modern exterior architecture. Today, we are exploring the ultimate backyard transformation, a design philosophy that blurs the line between a private residential yard and a luxurious, five-star tropical resort. The modern backyard is no longer just an afterthought. It is a meticulously curated sanctuary. By embracing tropical modernism, we can combine sleek, geometric hardscaping with the wild, lush energy of tropical plants. The goal is to create a space that feels simultaneously highly structured and deeply relaxing. Let's explore the materials, lighting, and layout strategies that make this ultra-modern aesthetic so captivating. The foundation of a high-end modern landscape lies in its hardscaping, specifically in how we define pathways and planting borders. Consider the elegance of a winding pathway made of large, irregularly spaced concrete stepping stones, cutting through a perfectly manicured lawn. This creates an immediate sense of journey. However, the true architectural marvel lies in the raised planter beds. By constructing stark white planters with sweeping, curved edges, we introduce clean, contemporary lines. The signature element here is the integration of warm, glowing LED strip lighting built directly into the base of the planters. This technique creates a visual illusion where the heavy concrete appears to hover weightlessly above a trim of smooth, white decorative pebbles, elevating the entire space into the realm of modern luxury. Within these glowing, stark white planters, the selection of flora is critical. Tropical modernism thrives on high contrast, the rigid, artificial lines of the hardscape juxtaposed against bold, organic textures. We achieve this by planting perfectly spherical green shrubs interspersed with vibrant, multi-stemmed tropical plants, such as architectural sago palms or birds of paradise. Pops of bright pink and white blooming flowers add a necessary layer of softness to the sleek concrete. Furthermore, draping the boundary walls with climbing green vines or dense ferns softens the perimeter, ensuring the yard feels like a lush, enclosed oasis rather than a sterile courtyard. A truly ultimate backyard features distinct zones for relaxation. On one side, imagine a built-in, L-shaped wooden bench paired with a round, slatted wood coffee table. The warmth of the wood perfectly balances the coldness of the concrete, while plush, beige cushions invite long hours of lounging. Adjacent to this seating, a modern water feature, like a multi-tiered waterfall cascading down a dark gray, stacked stone accent wall, provides soothing ambient noise. On the opposite side, a warm-toned wooden pergola extends from the house, shading a raised deck. Suspending woven, teardrop-shaped hanging egg chairs from the pergola beams creates a playful yet highly sophisticated focal point. When these elements are harmonized against the backdrop of a modern, flat-roofed house featuring white stucco and elegant vertical wood paneling, the transformation is complete. The careful application of minimalist wall sconces, the hovering LEDs, and the canopy of tall tropical palm trees against a clear blue sky all work in symphony. Ultimately, creating the ultimate modern backyard is about intentionality. By meticulously blending warm woods, sleek stone, architectural lighting, and lush tropical greenery, you don't just landscape a yard, you construct an everyday getaway. Thank you for joining us on this tour of modern exterior design.